In volume, when you're converting using metric steps, because it's a cubed unit, you need to move the decimal point 3 times as many places as the steps you count for normal length. So let's look at this example here. 123.4 centimetres cubed. I'm going to change it to millimetres cubed. Going from centimetres to millimetres is one place to the right. So I move 3 times as many places, 1, 2, 3, because it's cubed. So the answer is 123,400 point, which is 123,400 millimetres cubed. I expect to get a lot more millimetres cubed than I would for centimetres cubed because millimetres cubed are a lot smaller. You actually need 1,000 millimetres cubed to make 1 centimetre cubed, and that's why you need to move the point 3 places. That's multiplying by 1,000. Now we're looking at changing millimetres cubed to centimetres cubed. Changing from millimetres to centimetres is one step to the left. So 123.4. The decimal point has to move 3 places to the left because we need to move 3 times as many steps. So the answer is 0.1234 centimetres cubed. That makes sense to me because I need at least 1,000 millimetres cubed to make 1 centimetre cubed. So because I've only got 123 millimetres cubed, that means I haven't even got a whole centimetre cubed. You can probably imagine that in this question here, a metre cubed is a lot smaller than a kilometre cubed. For starters, a metre is 1,000 times smaller than a kilometre. So 1,000 times 1,000 times 1,000 means it's 1,000,000,000 times smaller when you cube it. So a cubic metre is actually 1,000,000,000 times smaller than a cubic kilometre. But let's do the example anyway. Going from metres to kilometres, I need to move 3 steps to the left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.4. So because it's 3 steps to the left and I'm doing volume, I need to move 3 times 3, which is 9 steps to the left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's the decimal point. Fill in the gaps with zeros. So you can see from that answer that it's a very small number, way smaller than 1 kilometre cubed. And that makes sense to me because 123,456.4 metres cubed is nowhere near 1,000,000,000 metres cubed, which I'd need to get a kilometre cubed. Final example, we're changing from kilometres cubed to metres cubed. I expect the answer to get a lot bigger because a metre cubed is very small compared to a kilometre cubed, and so I'll need a lot more of them to fill up the space and find out what the volume is. So going from kilometres to metres is 3 steps to the right. So I need to do 3 times 3 of those. That's 9 steps to the right because it's volume. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Put in the point, fill in the gaps with zeros, and put some commas in to make it a bit easier to see what's going on. So the answer is 1,234,000,000. So that makes sense to me because we know that there's 1,000,000,000 metres cubed in a kilometre cubed. So if I've got 1.234 kilometres cubed, I'll get 1,234,000,000 metres cubed.